What is Police Clearance Certificate PCC? So Police Clearance Certificate is issued to Indian passport holders in case they have applied for residential status, employment or long-term visa, or let's say for immigration purposes. The PCC was created to protect the interest of both Indian immigrants and the countries to which they immigrated. It acts as a safeguard for the hosting country to ensure that the bearer is free of any criminal charges or malice. However, it is only required for Indian personnel who is travelling abroad for work, as well as those who have applied for a residence permit or some long-term kind of visa. People travelling on a temporary basis, such as on vacation travelling, do not require to obtain a PCC. Now, the procedures for acquiring a police clearance certificate are divided into two categories. One is ECR, mainly the countries which follow one set of procedures, while non-ECR countries which follow a different set of procedures. So what is ECR? ECR stands for Immigration Check Required and refers to countries that don't have a strict law for regulating the entry and employment of foreign nationals. Individuals with differing sets of abilities, qualifications, gender, and whether they are emigrating through a recruiting agent must follow different procedures for ECR nations. Only 17 countries require this check. These 17 countries are mainly from the Asian side. You see Afghanistan, Bahrain, Iraq, Indonesia, Saudi, Kuwait, Jordan, Libya, Lebanon, Malaysia, Oman, Qatar, Sudan, and on the eastern side you have Thailand and other countries. Now, what are the documents required for PCC certificate? There are different documents required depending on whether you are a skilled labor or an unskilled labor. For skilled laborers, this usually requires documents like your passport, your visa, your employment contract, and things similar to that. For unskilled labor, you again have to provide your original passport. If there's an old passport, then you have to provide that also along with that. You have to provide photocopy of 2 pages including the ECR, non-ECR page, your present proof of address, and there are few other documents which you can see on the screen now. So now how to apply for this PCC for Indians who are staying outside India? PCC will be issued by the embassy to any Indian national only after getting fresh police verification report from India. Given below are the steps which you need to follow in case you want to apply for PCC while staying outside of India. So the first step is to go to Passport Seva website. Step 2 will be to choose your country and the region from where you want to apply this PCC. Now in the step 3, you will be redirected to a separate link of Passport Seva website. In step 4, you need to register on this link. Step 5, you need to enter all the details for your applications, which includes your basic details like name, email ID, birth date, all those things. In step 6, you need to log into the portal using your registered ID and password. In step 7, you need to click on Police Clearance Certificate. If you have not already applied, please select a new application procedure. Now in step 8, once you have the properly completed application, take a printout and fill it in order to receive your application reference number. In step 9, you need to visit the respective application processing center or the embassy consulate with all the required documents. In the next step, you need to also look at the list of the application submission centers for the embassies. After that, choose the country and enter the CAPTCHA code. And the last step is to click on Go to see the details of the consulates or the embassy. So I hope you understood about PCC, and that's it from me today. Make sure that you join our NRI only WhatsApp community, for which the link is mentioned in the description. And if you are an NRI looking for any kind of help with your finances, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.